Welcome, friends. Hope you're all having an awesome day. You're just in time to get a new sneak peek at our discovery kits. To start, I'm going to ask you a question. Do you ever feel out of place? Like you could use a change of scene? Or you'd like to take to the road and let your fantasies be your guide? Well, we have your solution. Your Whitby Library card is your passport to discovery. With just a click of your mouse, you can go to the link below and borrow one of our discovery kits. The possibilities are endless. You can learn a new skill, like the ukulele for example, in all sorts of new places with the green screen. For example, you could go to Hawaii, or under the sea, or you can even go back in time. How will you learn something new? What will you create? Where will you discover? We're looking forward to seeing what you guys can come up with. Thanks for watching. Follow us on social media or visit us at whitbylibrary.ca to discover more of our programs and collections.